Pretty
Speaking
nuts.
of LMG being at 8 years, we still have job listings up for a full-time bookkeeper slash
Yes.
accountant, whatever we end up with, full-time video editor slash camera op. Floatplane has a full-time developer and web design contractor position up on linusmediagroup.com, just because we
Yes.
get a little bit more traffic there. Do you want to talk about the developer position just a little bit, since we've got all these people watching?
Yeah, the developer position is somewhat generalized. You will probably end up working on a wide variety of things as we are a small team, and that just kind of happens when you are among a small team. But you will likely be focused, your main job will be developing, implementing, researching, etc., features or implementing currently existing features from tools available on the Shopify store for lttstore.com. We are specifically looking for someone to dedicate to that. So experience working with Shopify, experience working with e-commerce platforms, experience working with JavaScript, et cetera, is all very sought after for that position. So if you are interested in that, please feel free to go to the form, enter your information, and apply. And the designer position is for just like the websites that we kind of overlook in general. So floatplane.com, lttstore.com, potentially other jobs. It's not a full-time position. It would be job by job. So it is remote. We are able to hire from kind of wherever's for that because it is very job by job specific. Canadian would be a plus, but it is remote. And yeah, that's about it.
Sweet. Got a couple more job postings here as well. We need a full-time junior design slash manufacturing engineer and a full-time retail product and inventory manager. Apply at linusmediagroup.com.